Welcome to video lecture. In this module, we will discuss about electricity and circuits. Electricity. It is a form of energy. It is not important for our homes but also for industries and factories. And it is used in satellite communication. It is for receiving and sending of signals in cold storage, in hospitals. So, it is important in every field of life. Therefore, it is said to be the backbone or the pillar of the modern society. And electricity is the rate of flow of electric charges. For temporary make and break of circuit or open or close a circuit, a switch is needed. Now, what are electrical circuits? Electrical circuits are made up of electrical components like bulb, wires, battery, etc. These are known as electrical components. And when these components are joined together without any break, without any gap in between, they form a closed circuit. Here you can say it is a closed circuit. Now, what are open circuits? Incomplete circuits means when there is a break in the path of circuit, that is known as open circuit. Here you can see the source of current is not connected to the bulb, and here the source of current is missing. Then that's why it is called open circuit and no current will. For an electric current to flow, a source of electrical energy and a closed circuit is needed. Now we will learn how to draw the circuit diagrams. To draw the circuit diagram, symbols are needed. Here you can see open and closed circuits. In open circuit, the switch is in the off position, and in closed circuit, the switch is in the on position and the bulb will glow up. Now we'll discuss about electric bulb. Electric bulb is designed to emit light. It consists of a thin, coiled filament made up of tungsten and which is supported by support wires on a glass mount, which are further connected to the terminals. Terminals are the points at which the bulb is connected to the path of electric current. The entire setup is enclosed in a glass case and the space is filled with an inert gas or non reactive gas, that is argon. When electric current passes through the bulb, the tungsten gets heat up and the bulb glows. Now we will discuss about dry cell. Dry cells are used in torches, clocks, radios, calculators, remote controls, and toys. An electric cell is a device which converts chemical energy to the electrical energy. It consists of a metal cap at the top which acts as positive terminal. The outermost part of the dry cell is a zinc case. The bottom of the zinc case acts as the negative terminal. From the base of the metal cap, a carbon rod runs down the cell. The carbon rod is surrounded by a mixture of powdered manganese dioxide and carbon. This is further surrounded by a paste of ammonium chloride. When these two terminals of a dry cell are connected, the electric current flows through the wire because of the reactions taking place inside it. This is the working of dry cell. Thank you and have a nice day.